What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Clifford the big red dog. Let's begin today's lesson along the top of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So let's line up the top of that oval, come down towards the same height, and back up towards the top. Now along the bottom of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller oval for the pupils. Let's start from the inside edge, pull that oval going all the way around, and then pull that in towards the bottom. Let's line this up on the right, going all the way around, and then in. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now from the bottom of the eyes, let's move down and draw the top edge of the nose, starting on the left, put this up, and bend that down. Let's round out the bottom of the nose and pull that in towards the center. Start with the left side, and it's out, and then up. And let's fill in the inside of the nose in black. From the bottom tip of the nose, let's split the muzzle coming down with a straight line. Now I'm going to curve the left side. Round this out, come around, and then up along the side. Go back to the center, come down, and then bend that up towards the right. I just want to curve this in, and then bend that back up. Let's add a small bracket across the corner of the mouth. And then from here, we're going to step up and draw the inside edge of the ear. Just going to bend this around the muzzle and then come down. Let's round up the end of the ear, coming all the way around and then up on the outside. Now from here, it's going to bend this in and then pull that up towards the side of the head. And we'll close out the top of the head with a curve. We'll go up in the middle, round this out, and then bring that down on the right. Now in between the ear and the muzzle, we're going to add a curve coming around the corners of the mouth. Let's add those furry eyebrows above the eyes. We start on the left, bend this out and down, pull that back in. Let's add one more point, coming down, and then bending that up. Now I want to take that shape and flip it over on the right. So we're going to start above the eye, add that first point, we'll add one more. Let's add some hair in the center, start right in the middle with a straight line going up, go back down to the bottom, bend this up and out towards the left and right. Now we're going to add two curves going across the top of the head, starting on the left, bend this up and out, step down and draw that again. Now let's move back down and draw on the chin. We'll start on the left side, curve this down, and pull that up. Now let's move out to the side and draw the side of the collar. Draw two lines coming down. Connect the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's fill the inside of the collar in black. From the bottom corners of the collar, we're just going to round up the shoulder, going out, and then come down with an angled line towards the bottom of the ankle. Let's go to the right. Bend this out, come down at an angle towards the same height. Let's round up the outside of the paw, going out, and then bend that down. Now round up the bottom of the paw, coming down, and then up on the inside. Now from here we draw that same angled line, going up and then in towards the top to right about there. And then in between the legs, we're going to draw a curve, moving down and then back up. Let's separate the paws with 2 curves on either side. So we'll start with the left, going up and in, leave a gap, and draw that again. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming up and in. Now I'm going to move up halfway along the outside of the arm and draw the hind leg. We're going to bend this out, come down, and just bend that in towards the ankle. Let's line this up on the right, going out, rounding out the leg, and then bending that in. Let's add in the paw from the ankle, bend this up, and then down towards the side, round out the bottom of the foot. Let's separate the paw with 1 curve on either side. Let's add the heels along the bottom, bend this down and then out. Let's add the tail coming out on the left side. Starting from the top of the leg, go out, up, and then out. I'm just going to bend this back in, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Clifford the big red dog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.